rushes down the mountainside, covering valleys far and wide. B is for blizzard, icy winds and swirling snow, freezing everything below. C is for cyclone, spinning storm from sea to land, with roaring winds so strong and grand. D is for drought, rain stays away for many days, drying fields in sunny rays. E is for earthquake, ground begins to shake and roll, rumbling deep beneath the soil. F is for flood, water rises fast and high, spreading wide beneath the sky. G is for grass fire, flames race quickly through the land, burning forests close at hand. H is for hurricane, mighty winds and pouring rain, spinning wildly o'er the plain. I is for ice storm, freezing raincoats, trees in white, turning roads to slips of fright. J is for jungle fire, forest flames leap tree to tree, spreading fast and wild and free. K is for king tide, ocean waters rise so tall, flooding beaches, covering all. L is for landslide, mud and rocks slide down so fast, changing hills in seconds past. M is for monsoon, heavy rains that pour for days, filling rivers in their ways. N is for nor'easter, cold winds howl along the shore, bringing snow and rain galore. O is for oil spill, dark slick spreads across the sea, hurting fish and wildlife free. P is for pandemic, illness spreading far and wide, people staying safe inside. Q is for quake, sudden shaking, sharp and strong, rattling buildings all the sun so bright, sending waves of glowing light. Y is for yellow fever, tiny virus spreads disease. Doctors work to bring it ease. Z is for